breaking the stigma. Yet, many suffer in silence, afraid of being called weak, OA, buang, or delikado. I have personally seen the impact of stigma. A family member of mine battled with depression but refused to seek treatment due to the fear of being called crazy. Stigma isolates people. It discourages them from reaching out, prevents early intervention, ruins relationships, and at worst, costs lives. To change that, pakig istorya. When we normalize mental health discussions, we make it real and valid. Pilia ang tulong na makapaayo. Words carry power, so let's use them to uplift others. Pagpakabana. Knowledge is the cure for ignorance. The more we understand, the more we can help. We all deserve to be seen, heard, and supported without fear and judgment. So I ask you, unsa nga kalibutan ang gusto natin tuyan? A world of silence or a world of support? As one, let's choose support. Dili OA, dili buang. Ayaw mahadlok pangayong taba. Together, let's end the stigma. Daghang salamat.
And these meetings encourage everyone to be accountable in all our actions and be smart in using digital platforms. Let's not perceive truth for what we want to believe. Instead, let's make truth our access to freedom and hope to succeed. Let's use the little power we hold to spread facts and not accounts. Therefore, it is rightful what Miss Universe Pia Wurtzbach said, that we should think before we click.
Binibini number 3.
I am Mika Vidasilio Canal, a first-year criminology student. I am deeply committed to advocating for a safe and secure environmental for all students. My interest in this advocacy comes from seeing how sexual violence, claims of drug abuse, harms minors and women, living in with a lasting trauma. As a future criminologist, I want to be part of the solution by raising awareness and promoting prevention and ensuring justice. Why we stop sexual violence? Sexual violence destroys lives, causes fears, and denies victims justice. Many cases are drug-related, making it minors, women more vulnerable. Ending it means creating a society built on safety, respect, and accountability. What can I do as a criminology student? For me, it is raise awareness, educate first about consent, anti-sexual violence law, and to danger abuse, and to train students to recognize, stop harassment or assault, safe space, safe students, stop violence now.
Of attendance requirements or penalties for non-participation. If so, then we need to ask ourselves, are we truly engaged or are we just complying? School activities should not feel like obligations, but opportunities to learn, grow, and connect. But how can we make this happen? By giving students a voice. I am Irish K. Hemperosa, a student leader, a future educator, and a being who believes that participation should be driven by passion, not pressure. Instead of simply following a fixed set of activities, why not let students help decide what events should take place? Imagine a school where your ideas matter, where you feel heard and valued. To make this a reality, we can establish student consultation sessions before finalizing the school calendar, and suggestion boxes where we can freely share ideas. We can foster open communication between student leaders, teachers, and administrators the students. When you participate because you want to, not because you have to, school becomes more than just a routine. It becomes a meaningful experience. And so CRMtions, you are more than just a participant. You are the heartbeat of every event. Speak up, get involved, and take ownership of your school experience. Because when students are given a voice, engagement becomes real. Embrace
Sustainable CRLC. Because sustainability is not just about protecting the environment, but also about fostering an inclusive, respectful, and empowered community. A sustainable future is one that leaves no one behind. When we promote gender sensitivity, we encourage everyone to participate in sustainable practices, leadership, and decision making. Whether it's in academics, research, or community projects, every voice deserves to be heard. At CRLC, we need to embrace sustainability in many ways. Through eco-friendly initiatives, responsible resource management, and innovative learning approaches. However, sustainability goes beyond just environmental efforts. It also means nurturing a culture of respect, inclusion, and fairness. A gender-sensitive CRMC ensures that all students, faculty, and staff, regardless of their identity, are given equal opportunities to contribute to and benefit from these sustainable efforts. When we empower every individual, we strengthen CRMC's commitment to sustainability in any aspects, social, economic, or environmental. This is the future I believe in. A CRMC that is not only eco-friendly, but also socially responsible and inclusive. Let's work together to make this a reality. Daghang salamat.
Ako, si Micaela, Magdawi Lapitan, o ganiya ako karon, dili lang isip mo sa katinunan sa senior high school, kundi isip kung sa katao nga nakasaksi sa peligro sa digital na kalibutan. Nakasaksi ko sa pagbigalaan na namuna tungkol sa teknolohiya. Apa na makita usap ko sa mga kinabuhing na guba, tungkol lang sa usap ka po nga wala huna-hunaan. Maungaan niya ako karon, aron isgutan ang isa ka butang nga may kalamikita na atong tanan. Digital na responsibilidad. Ika sa atong pagmata, hangtod sa atong pagpamulay kita nag-scroll o nagpadayag sa atong emosyon online. Apa na nga pangalandong ba kita sa dili pa mag-post? Nakahuna-huna pa kita sa epekto sa atong mga pulong? At doon na ako usa ka higala nga nahimong biktima sa cyberbullying. Usa ka yanong nga komedya nga nahimong malaway. Nagbilin og law na samad sa iyang emosyon. Ug ang maong kasinatian na kapalamdag ka na ako sa tinuod gagahon sa digital na mga buhat. Oo, ang teknolohiya usa ka talagsaong himan. Ang panubasta gahong may katungdanan. Ang atong isulat online mahimong makapadasig o makaguba. Ang makakabalita mahimong makalibog. Samtang ang kamatuoran makapalangga. Isip mga PRM siya, atong hinugduman nga aduna kitay gagawin sa paghulma sa digital nga kalibutan. Ipakailan nato ang kaayuhan ug siguruhon nga ang atong mga binungatan magapakita kung kinsa gayon kita. Sa dili pa ka mag-type, huna-hunaa. Sa dili pa ka magbahin, susiha. Magmuna kita o isa ka kalibutan nga puno sa
And we must listen. Climate change is not just a distant problem. It is here, affecting our lives, our future, and the generations to come. Stronger typhoons, rising temperatures, and environmental destruction that continue to threaten our communities. But while climate change is a global crisis, the power to make a difference starts with us. As a junior high school student, I have personally taken part in tree planting activities in Pinang tribes through our school's community service program. These experiences have taught me that small actions, when done together, create a big impact. But these are not commit to protecting the environment in every way we can. Being CRMC is not just about beauty. It is about the purpose. And my purpose is to use this platform to spread awareness and encourage real action for the environment. Let us not wait for tomorrow because the time to act is now. Together, let's embrace the culture of caring for our planet and rise as one